Back to another video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you off double press the power button to on torch guys. How can you off this setting in Redmi 10 phone? Today I'm going to tell you about. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching a video first time, so guys go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys come on additional setting, guys click on gesture shortcuts. Guys, you can see turn on torch option guys. So off, double press the power button to on torch guys. You want to off, then guys off it. Then guys let's see. So guys, now you can see my torch is not on. To press double power button guys. So I think friends, we have understood how to off double press the power button to on torch in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.